Welcome back, guys. I would go on that beautiful brushes options. We have some kinds of flowers we will put on it, guys. Here, guys, I have to choose that rose flowers to put and place on it, guys. Here we have to put these ones, rose flowers on it, as well as, guys, here some kinds of butterflies I have to place on it, guys. Which is looking like that one, guys. So guys, that